Today I'm sharing my easy zucchini bread recipe that's healthy, simple, and so delicious. Whether you're meal prepping, baking for the family, or just want to try something new, this is the perfect recipe. First, let's start by grating our zucchini. No need to peel them. We want all the nutrients from the skin in this recipe, so just go ahead and grate your 2 large zucchini and place them aside, and then we'll prep for the next step. Okay, next we're gonna get our mixing bowl. I have 4 tablespoons of room temperature butter and 1 cup of sugar, half a cup of brown sugar, and half a cup of white sugar. Then we're gonna mix this together and add in a 1/4 cup of olive oil. And then you just want to let everything mix for a good 2 to 3 minutes until your sugar is melted into the butter and oil. Okay, once your butter and sugar is starting to look like it's the right consistency, then we're gonna go ahead and add in 2 eggs. I like to do one at a time. Alright, at this point you want to go ahead and add in the rest of your wet ingredients. I have half a cup of Greek yogurt and 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. We're going to mix all of this together again for another minute or so before adding in all of your dry ingredients. Okay, now that all of that is mixed together, we're going to go ahead and add in our dry ingredients. I have 1 3/4 cups of flour, 1 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, and half a teaspoon of allspice. And 1 teaspoon of salt. And then you go ahead and mix all of this together. And I almost forgot, we're going to grate in about a half a teaspoon or so of nutmeg. Okay, next we're gonna go ahead and add in the rest of our ingredients. Don't forget to scrape the bottom of your mixing bowl to make sure you don't have any dry ingredients stuck down there. But I'm using about 3/4 of a cup of sliced almonds and some chocolate chip. I'm going to give this a quick mix, and then it's time to add in our zucchini, which this recipe called for 2 cups, but I think I had a little bit more than that, and that's okay. Just go ahead and mix everything together. And now is the best part. We pour it all into our bowl and get this ready for the oven. We're gonna bake for about 55 minutes or so. You want to keep an eye on it on a low temperature at 325 degrees. Okay, I'm gonna finish this off with some more almonds on the top and some chocolate chip as well before putting it in the oven. And I have to say, I had mine in there for a good 55 minutes to an hour, and I kept checking it, and it still needed a couple more minutes. So keep an eye on yours if you're making it, especially if you're making a large batch, or the size, depending on the size of your pan, you may need to add or take away a few minutes. And here is our golden moist zucchini bread. Just look at the texture. You can let it cool before you slice into it, but I could not wait, so I sliced in right away, of course, and it was delicious. If you love videos like these recipes, please like, share, and save it. Follow for more easy home baking and recipes that Aiden and I create. If you guys do decide to try this, I would love to see how yours came out. Feel free to tag us in your posts. As usual, thank you again. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the bell for all notifications, and for more trending, beginner-friendly recipe. We will see you guys on the next one. Enjoy this zucchini bread. Until next time.